Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Bilal and today we'll be learning how to solve a quadratic equation using the factorization method, or more commonly known as the middle term break method. For this I'll be teaching you two different methods. Method 1 will be more of a shortcut which will help you factorize basic simple equations in a very short time and with a huge simplicity. For this, we'll take an example of the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6. So, for this method, the first thing that you need to do is literally draw an x on the side of your page. Then, what you do is you take the coefficient of the first term, here in this case we have a 1, and the last term, and multiply the two of them together. When you multiply plus 6 and 1, we get 6, right? A positive 6. The second thing, we fill the downward box, the downward part of the x, we fill it with the coefficient of the middle term. Here we write 5 with its sign, that's a positive. Now, to solve the equation, what we need is to find two numbers which multiply to give this number, the number at the top of the cross. The second condition that those two numbers need to fulfill is that they should give a difference or a sum of the plus 5. That's the bottom number in our cross, right? So to find the numbers, first we will make a list of factors of the number over the top. In this case, we have a 6. So simply factors of 6 are 1 into 6 and 3 into 2. Now both of these numbers satisfy the first condition, that's multiply to get this. Now in order to have the second condition, both of these numbers satisfy the condition given above, that's multiply to give plus 6. When we add a positive sign to both or a negative sign to both. Here as well, we can have a positive sign on both or a negative sign on both. Now, how to get the signs will depend on what we have on the downward box. To satisfy the second condition, we need to make sure that both these numbers add or subtract to give a positive 5. Since we have a positive 5, we know that these two numbers, the higher number needs to have a positive sign, right? Which is why we can't use a negative sign beside the 3 or the 6. This is why we select the second pair, as we know that we need both of these to have a positive sign. So we select the plus 3 into plus 2 pair. This pair will give us a positive 6 when multiplied and a positive 5 when added. So now, since we have our final pair, we'll just fill the cross with these two pairs and write the final equation using the given pair. We'll add one of these with plus 3 and one of these with plus 2. So the final equation that we'll have, the solution to this, would be x plus 3 into x plus 2.